It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah.
So I had to widen the pattern. To me, it's not wide enough. So I'm trying to remove some hair from the middle so that it can be wider.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted.
And I had to open it longer the more.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body.
So this is how I want it.
It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself.
You can see the natural hairline. See this? So I'm going to pluck it a little more.
From me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? Gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough.
I'm done with the plucking, so I'm going to spray this all over the hair to bring back the coils.
When you're sweet talking to me, now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.
So this is the amount of hair that I twist from it. So before anything, I'm going to use this edge protector. It's a collagen and vitamin infused primer. Protect your hairline, grows edges. So I'm going to wear my cap. The wig is from ChinaWig, so I'm going to leave all the details about this wig on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. You can see that I'm cleaning some stains from the hair. That is because I use airbrush legs. That is what I use, you guys know. So I did not bleach the knot, I just sprayed that on the lace. That is why you saw that the color of the lace has a little bit changed, because I wanted it as same color with my skin tone. You do what is good for you. Okay, so I will leave the details in case if you're interested you can Check it out. The hair is affordable and is of high quality. So this is it on. I made a mistake because I put the pattern, I followed the pattern that came with it, and as I'm seeing it is not at the middle, because you see here and here is shorter, so I am going to fix that. Okay, I am going to fix that.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else.
Put it on cool. So I'm going to tie it down. So I'm going to cut the lace.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try to speak up, can't say none. Try to dig dirt.
So I'm going to wait for like 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'm going to lose it. While I wait, I'm just going to wet the hair.
I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top from the base one. New car, race on, fast lane.
So in here I have a hair conditioner and water. That's what I mix together.
With the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I am from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Drawing number 7, he's bored though. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though.
See, once you wet the hair, I'll take my hot coat and flatten the center.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up.
So I'm going to lose it now. Let's lose it, let's lose and see.
Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
I'm going to use mousse. going to use that to blend my forehead. You see the hairline? See how this lace melted, and I did not use a lot of got-to-be glue. I just used little and styling gel. Because of my edges, I don't use glue that much. I prefer using gel. So that is it.